Dan, do you view $100 the same as you used to?
Here's another question from my fan that as I get richer and richer, do I still view the $100 the same way as I used to when I was getting started? And how do other rich people view $100? Well, first of all, I don't know how other rich people view it. I could only share with you my perspective, and definitely has changed. So back then, that $100 feels like a significant amount of money, and for most people, it is a significant amount of money. And today, that I view $100 doesn't mean I don't cherish $100. I still look at it like it's $100, but now I'm in a place where, I tip the waiter more than $100, right? So it's not, to me, it's not a lot of money anymore, but I still cherish it. I think the way I view money, I would say the way I view time has changed drastically. Now I would value time way more than money. That each minute has to be worth a certain amount of money. Each hour of my time is worth a lot of money. So I would so much now cherish time because I cannot buy back time, right? As we spend so much effort earning more money, now we want to buy back time. So I am at a place where I want to buy back time. Having better people in my life to be able to help me, having a great team, having people to do other things for me to save me time, because time is the most valuable commodity that I have, because I cannot make more time. I cannot use money to buy back more time. It's all the time that we have. So I would say that's the biggest shift in terms of looking at things. I think in the beginning, you need to cherish and appreciate the value of a dollar if you want to accumulate dollar. People who think money is not that important, that they don't cherish and appreciate the value, doesn't mean I want you to be cheap, right? I'm the last person to tell you to be cheap. But if you value that dollar, then you will be able to accumulate. It's easier for you to accumulate money when you appreciate money. Doesn't mean the love of money is the root of all evil. That's bullshit, right? It's not that. It's not the love of money is the root of all evil, right? It's not true. So that would be my perspective. By the way, comment below if this is the first time you are watching Boss in the Bentley. This is where you submit a question, and I will take my time to answer your question in my Bentley. Anything you want to ask. If it's universally beneficial to my fans, I will take the time and I would actually answer. This is me giving you my personal feedback as if you're sitting right here with me. So go ahead. And if you have never watched any one of my other videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Right there, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any video that we upload. Every single day I share a new video with you on entrepreneurship, on finance, on success, on personal effectiveness. Doesn't cost you anything except giving me a like and hitting the thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. That's all I'm asking from you. So go ahead and do that right now.